Rando is here, and it's time for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight we got a special new firework from Sunwing Fireworks, and it's called Shake It Up. Oh, I could think of a song from the late 70s, early 80s. Whoa! So it's got, it's got a dude. I'm assuming it's a dude. I don't know. It could be a lady. Skull. Now, what's interesting, it's a little, if you see the size of my hand here, you can see here, it's just a little box fountain. Now, what's cool, emits showers of sparks, right? Safe and sane. Now, I'm going all four corners. There is no performance on this. So the question becomes, what's it going to do? Well, I'll tell you what. The bigger question is, where can I get it? Well, exclusively in Arizona, Sunwing Fireworks. You can get them at Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com for all your safe and sane needs in the state of Arizona. Over 60 locations throughout the state, 2 locations in New Mexico, and guess what? They'll be opening up mid-June. You want to get your fireworks from Santan Fireworks, the best selection, the best bang for the buck, and the best prices. No tariffs this year. Whoa! So, we're going to come back when it gets a little bit dark, and guess what? We're gonna, get ready, shake it up! Pad, and we have Sunwing Fireworks. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna shake it up. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Great things can come in little packages.